Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech School. In this video, we will learn data formatting in Excel using a small table. This lesson is very easy. It is made for beginners. Let us start. Look at the screen. Here is a small table. In cell A1, we have the word name. In cell B1, we have the word marks. In cell A2, we have Ali. In cell B2, we have 85. Now we will format this table step by step. First, we will make the heading bold. Let's select cells A1 and B1. Click on the bold button. The text becomes dark. Now we will change the font size. Keep cells A1 and B1 selected. Click on the font size box. Select size 14. The text becomes bigger. Now we will center the text. Cells A1 and B1 are still selected. Click on center alignment. The text moves to the center. Now we will add cell color. Cells A1 and B1 are selected. Click on Fill Color. Choose a light color. Now we will add borders. Select the whole table. Cells A1 to B2. Click on the Borders button. Choose All Borders. Lines appear around the table. Now the table looks clean and easy to read. Practice this lesson a few times. You will feel more confident using Excel. If you like this video, please like it. Subscribe to Tech School for more easy Excel lessons. Thank you for watching.